Two West African nations have issued a simultaneous ban on American citizens in a diplomatic tit-for-tat move amidst heightened tensions with both the United States and Europe, and as Russia seeks to increase its economic and geopolitical influence in the region. Mali and Burkina Faso made the move in response to the Trump administration's December 16 expansion of travel restrictions to more than 20 countries. The policy particularly affected the African continent, with Chad, Equatorial Guinea, Eritrea, Libya, Niger, Republic of the Congo, Sierra Leone, Somalia, South Sudan, and Sudan also being subject to travel restrictions. The Trump administration cited the persistence of armed attacks in both nations as part of the rationale for its decision. According to the Department of State, terrorist organizations continue to plan and conduct terrorist activities throughout Burkina Faso. According to the fiscal year 2024 Department of Homeland Security (DHS) Entry-Exit Overstay Report, Burkina Faso had a B1 over B2 visa overstay rate of 9.16% and a student F, vocational M, and exchange visitor visa overstay rate of 22.95%. Additionally, Burkina Faso has historically refused to accept back its removable nationals. Regarding its decision to include Mali on the list, it stated, according to the Department of State, armed conflict between the Malian government and armed groups is common throughout the country. Terrorist organizations operate freely in certain areas of Mali. Both nations, as well as neighboring Niger and Nigeria, have seen skyrocketing violence in recent years as chronically underfunded governments struggle to retain control of rural, sparsely populated desert regions. This has been your One Africa News Report.